We are from Nick and West team in Singapore. We do design and build houses. Yeah, we actually have Cindy here.
And there's Cindy?
Actually assisting us. She's from Australia. She's a student, an intern student. She's so far she has helped us in a lot of work. We also teach her some stuff, and we bring her around to our sites to actually see the process of construction. And also we send her to another of our partner team, which is civil engineering. Yeah, over there she learns quite a bit in the construction space also.